Hi, my name's Vanessa and I'm a rising senior at Galileo High School. My project is a musical lockbox which unlocks after hears certain notes being played. So my second milestone was to get the servo to unlock or spin after it hears all the notes being played in the correct order. So because I needed it to be played in a certain order, I created bool variables for each of the notes, and since there's 7 of them, the variables are named N1 to N7. So how it will work is that when the first note is picked up, so all the variables are initially set to false, and then once the note is heard, the first note is heard, it'll change N1 into true, and then for the second note, once it hears it, and then N1 is also true, then N2 will be true, but then if N1 is still false, then N2 would also be false, and then this repeats for all 7 of the notes, and then the servo will spin after it hears, or after N7 is set to true. So my main problem while working on this milestone was that because I have 2 C-sharp 7s being played in consecutively, I didn't want the servo to spin after hearing the first one and then just disregard the second one. So in order to fix that, I made it so that it'll check if N6 was true before it looks for N5, which is in a reverse order, but then by doing so, it would be able to recognize both of the notes. And then so after fixing this, it worked fine. And then that was the main problem I had. So while doing this milestone, I liked working on it a lot more than the first one because I wasn't as frustrated with this, and then I also got to do a lot of the coding on my own, which was different compared to the first one because the first one I just took code from online and then slightly modified it, but then this one it was mainly written by myself. So my next step is to add in the modifications before starting to work on the final milestone.